Hello everyone, so today we are going to talk about how to make questions using am, is and are. As we all know, am, is and are the helping verbs of present continuous tense. So we use these three helping verbs or the present continuous tense to describe about the things that we are doing right now. As I told you, today our lesson would be how to make questions, right? So when it comes to questions, there are two types of questions. They are positive questions and negative questions. First, we are going to learn about these positive questions. What are the positive questions? If we ask something like a positive way, we can use these positive questions. In singular, we are asking these questions like ඔයා කරමින් ඉන්නවාද, right? So how to ask these positive questions? Look at the structure. First, you need to use an, is or are. And then the subject. Subject means the person who does the action. For example, if I am the one who does the action, then I is the subject. And then you need to use the verb with ing, that means present participle. For an example, if the verb is eat, you have to say eating. And finally, it is object. So let's repeat. First, you need to add am, is or are, and then the subject, verb plus ing, and the object. So let's look at this example. As you can see in this picture, this girl is eating something. So now we need to ask a question. So how to ask it? You can ask, is she eating? Is she eating? Okay, I hope you understood. So now we are going to talk about how to make negative questions. In singular, if we want to ask something like ඔයා කරමින් ඉන්නේ නැද්ද? So that is negative questions. So let's look at the structure. As you can see here, we have two structures. First structure is long form, and the second structure is it using contractions. So let's focusing on the first structure. So as we mentioned earlier, we need to add helping verbs first. That means am, is or are. And then the subject. Especially you need to add not here because this is negative. And again it is verb with ing plus object. Am is are, subject, not, verb plus ing or object. And the second structure is, as we all know, we have short forms or the contractions for is not and are not. So you can simply say isn't or aren't, and then the subject and verb plus ing and the object. So you can use either first method or the second method to ask negative questions. So let's look at this example. So here we have the same picture. So now we need to ask a question using a negative form. That means I am coming in another. So look at the first one. It says, is she not cooking? Is she not cooking? So here we asked Aya, we are meaning another, right? So in short form we can ask, isn't she cooking? Isn't she cooking? So these two examples show you or give you the same idea. So I hope you understood how to ask positive and negative questions using am, is, are. So thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.